Yeah. Woo! Damn, I hope I... Oh, snap, I'm recording. Oh, yo, what up, y'all? What's good, what's good, what's good? You know, I'm just chilling right now. I was on the game, vibing, bumping some music on the Vita. But what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? And on the go-go, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? Let me know how y'all doing today. I'm back with another episode, bringing some Jordan 1s. I copped some 1s. I caught these ones early, Jordan 1s. Do y'all know about these? These came out, well, today on Sneakers app. But I got these early access, 2 weeks ago. So I had an early release on these. But I've been really busy to record, so been really busy, guys. But how you doing? Let me know what your thoughts on the Jordan 1s. I'm gonna give you the inside look on how it looks and everything, the breakdown. But these ones, woo, smell fresh. That's one. Woo, damn, these ones are fly. Honestly, these are fire for the toe. I'm thinking about towing these. What y'all think? Is it a toe or is it a throw? Let me know. Honestly, for me, I like these. These are a toe. I think I would toe these shits because you can match a lot of things with it. Ooh, and it's perfect for summertime. You know what I'm saying? It's perfect for summertime. Perfect. You can't go wrong with these. I put these on the toe. You know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong. It's my size. Size 10. You know, blue with the black. Swoosh. Leather black. Can't go wrong. Perfect for everyday wear. Yeah. I mean, shoot. I got full size runs, grade school, kid, toddlers. So let me know if you guys interested in these Jordan 1s. But yeah, these ones, it's no really special thing, honestly. Yeah, there's a lot of pairs of these, so you guys should be able to get a pair, honestly. And it shouldn't be too crazy, but that's a good thing about it. You know what I'm saying? You got a good fresh pair of 1s for the summertime. There's not a lot of good ones that have been releasing like this though, like that have a good color scheme to it, like a black with the blue and then with a little hint of white with the leather. That's good. That's heat. Yeah, guys. So you let me know. Let me know in the comments if you like what you see. If you want to cop from me, I got you. Let me know your thoughts, and yeah, I'm gonna give it a breakdown to show you, you know, all the different kid side, grade school. And I'm gonna just give you the breakdown on the sneaker. But yeah, these are fire though. I would honestly, these are a toe. These are a toe. I think it's a great color. Can't go wrong with it. Can't go wrong. They did great with it. And yeah, guys, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos consistently. I just been busy a lot, you know. So yeah, guys, it's about to be a lit summer. We about to have some fun. And for everybody that follow, you will be entered in a giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway for all my subscribers. My first 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway for you. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, comment your name, whatever, and then yeah, you're gonna be entered in a giveaway. All you have to do is just subscribe, comment, and yeah, let me know your thoughts on these Jordan 1s. Yeah, I'm about to do a whole lot of video. Yo, these ones, I just realized, yo, these ones matches this. Matches the game. Oh, that's crazy. And I'm gonna give y'all an inside look. I'm wearing Vetmont's t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Vetmont with the Balenciaga. It's a perfect outfit. You know what I'm saying? I'm already giving you an outfit right here. Look, blue, with the blue, nice, calm blue t-shirt, Vetmont shirt with the Balenciaga. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. So, you know, I wish I could bump my music to the joint, but I can't. But, oh, yeah, I'm on a lot of different platforms, guys. So, yeah, let me know. I'm on a whole lot. I'm on eBay. I'm on Instagram. Follow my Instagram. And on the go-go. You already know. I'm all over the place. And on the go-go. Just whatever you think about, I'm on. I'm on Instagram, eBay, all over. Just and on the go-go. Follow me. Whatever platform you got, follow me. And on the go-go. So, yeah, guys, It's about to be a lit Saturday for me. About to go get me some more Jordan 1s. But y'all see y'all later. Y'all continue to cook up, cook up, cook up. Bow, bow. Cook these up. Cook it up, cook it up. Boom. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. You hot? Yeah. Bow. Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? Let's get into this. Bow. You know, we got these Jordan 1s. Blue, white, black. Woo! Let's get into it. How y'all doing today? How y'all guys doing? So I'm going to give y'all the insight on these Jordan 1s right now. So I copped the grade school. I got the men's, and I got the toddlers. So let me know what you think. So I'm about to open. Yeah. So, you know, I got the blue eyes. Goes great. The ones with the rug, it's amazing. I'm about to jump into this right now. How y'all guys doing? Make sure you guys follow me. You know, subscribe. You know, Ant on the go. I'm everywhere. I'm across the board. Just let me know. Let me know your thoughts on these ones. Do you like it? Do you don't? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bow. Wow. These ones are super fire. Look at the detail of these ones. You know what I'm saying? The details of these ones, you cannot go wrong. And you could get it for your, you know, your baby. You could get it for your niece. And, you know, you could get it for, you know, your uncle. They will like these ones. Blue. You know, blue on the toe box. Blue on the back. You know what I'm saying? All around. Leather quality is amazing. Bow. Look at these ones. What? Let me know if you cop. I got these on Sneakers app, so it wasn't really hard for me to get. And I got it 2 weeks ago. I'm now doing a video, so yeah. Bow. Look at these. Size 10 for the toe. Toe loop. You know what I'm saying? For the toe. Let me know. Yeah, leather quality is amazing. The blue. The box matches the sneaker amazing. And look at these. I mean, like, just think about it. Like, these ones, you can match it every day through the summer, spring. Even you can wear it, you know what I'm saying? In the fall is wonderful, too. And they got that nice leather quality to it. You know, with the white, yeah, that icy blue bottom with the nice Nike check, iconic. With the nice Jordan brand on the side. Come on, you can't go wrong with these ones. Then you got the GS, size 6. Let me know if you wear that, guys. I got you. Bam, boom. Jordan 1s. Can't go wrong. Can't beat the ones. I got it for the kids. I know kids love the ones. Ones is so iconic since 1990s. You know what I'm saying? And it's still big in the 2023. So that's crazy. And look at the little 10C that I got right now for you. You know, so yeah, these ones can't go wrong. I love them. I may gift them to one of my nieces and something like that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on these. And I'm about to give y'all an outfit. I'm going to show y'all a nice fit to go with these sneakers. And yeah, you know, it's pretty awesome. I honestly love them. Can't lie. Calm toe. It's not hard to get. GR. I would say this is a GR release. To me, it's a GR release. You could literally get it in that Foot store. Go to Foot Locker. Go to Snipes. Wherever they sell sneakers, you get them. Matter of fact, go on Nike. Go on the Nike app. It's probably sold out by now, but I'm sure you could get a pair. But if you can't, let me know. I could get any size for you. You know, I'm always buying. This is what I do. I do this full time. I don't do this seasonal. I do this full time every day, 24. You know, provide my customers with some hot heat, some dope sneakers. So yeah, guys, let me know. There's about to be a lit summer, and yeah, look at the quality, how it shines. I'm telling you, can't go wrong. Amazing. But yeah, guys. Woo! Let's jump into this more detail of the ones. Oh my God. You got the blue. You got the icy blue. You got the Jordan brand. Like I said, with the bottom icy blue. Then you got the black leather. Look at that leather quality. You see that? That leather quality is so fire. Like, and then it's like when when I push it, like when like, it just feels so smooth. Like the check feels smooth, nice leather, you know. Yeah, great. I'm ready to go outside with it right now. That's how great I'm feeling about these ones. And yeah, and it smell great, look great. And look at it for the toe. Ooh, would you toe these? Let me know in the comments. Would you toe? Yeah, guys. Woo! These are fire on the toe. You see, I wasn't playing with the nice blue socks. Come on, can't beat that. And then bam, y'all enjoy your day though. Over and out. These are the fit. You know, you can match it with the blue vent mounts, with the blue sunglasses. Enjoy your day. And on the go, go follow.